आप सबको मैं अभी हम लोग एक्सपर्ट से कुछ नहीं पूछेंगे बिकॉज आप लोग परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं ऑन द 4th, राइट? और वहां पे हम चाहते हैं कि आप
शाखों से उतरे थे
दीवार उठाओ,
दीवार उठाओ।
journalists performing. I mean, I give them a big hand. Please go back and put it on your Facebook and on your Twitter so that it goes viral among all journalists and the show becomes even more popular. I want to thank Mr. Shankar Mahadevan, Diljit, Monali for having accepted to be the experts on this show, and I think you will bring a lot of value to Rising Star. You know, when we were planning to do this show, there was a lot of debate between everybody within the organization, especially our programming team, saying, should we embark on a journey like this? Nobody has ever done it before. You've seen it on live sports is a different thing. You know, news is different. But to do a show and that too in India, okay, where you know there's a lot of slipping with the cup and the lip. But we said, unless you try, how would you ever know that we can do it or not? A lot of people ask us, you think we'll be able to pull it off? We said, we don't know, but we are going to try. The fact that not just in India, in Asia will be the first people to do it. Today, the whole country is talking about digital India. I think we are doing the show at the right time. You know, when the whole country is talking about digital India, here is a show where you can interact digitally with television, and we can digitally interact with our audience. You know, I think it's going to be great. We've started testing the app. Just on one day, I think it was the last week of Bigg Boss when we first integrated the app on Bigg Boss show. Just we wanted to test the app, and on that one night we got 1 million downloads. So it just shows you that India is ready. India is waiting. They've been waiting for a show like this, and more importantly, you know, we do a lot of shows. I think in India there is nobody who does as many shows as we do, whether it is Bigg Boss, India's Got Talent, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, Khatron Ka Khiladi. We do a lot of reality shows, and most of them are voting-based shows. And you know, one of the things is we have to wait for a whole week, winning or somebody is losing or some contestant is thrown out. So no matter what we do, people have this element of doubt how genuine it is. I think on this show, that will be wiped out, because what you see is what you get. It's nothing called even delayed live. It will be live. So I was sitting with Manisha, who's our programming head right here, and I said, listen, by the time we go to the actual launch, we got to get it right.
Because most of the shows, the format itself is pretty common, and this, right from the beginning, the format itself is different. You can see the way the show starts at a particular time and it ends at a particular time, and all the action happens within that. The live voting, the people are being able to see their faces on television screen, on the wall, the contestants. The deciding factor is just by the end of the show, you've decided who's the winner, who's in, who's out. So the gratification is right there. So I think right from the conceptualization to the way it's implemented, that it's different. There's no age limit for the show. Am I right? Yeah, there's no age limit. From kids to elders, everybody can join. It's not a single person. You can come as groups, you can come as a band, you can come as a duo. So that's different. The wall is different, and yeah, it's all different, man.
All right, next.
Combination of judges different.
Experts की तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा fresh pairing है. पति आप पूछना चाहेंगे कुछ?
हाँ जी, मेरा सब कि आपके पास सिर्फ 7% का पावर होगा to vote for your favorite one. So on what basis will you vote? मतलब आपका वोट कौन से एस्पेक्ट को देख के आप एक कंटेस्टेंट को वोट करते हैं?
लाइव गाना अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है, और उससे भी बड़ी बात है कि आप एडिट ही नहीं कर सकते उसको. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बाद में डब कर लोगे, एक हफ्ता है आपके पास, या आप कुछ कमियां छुपा दोगे, कुछ उठा लोगे. सो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. लाइव गाना, मैं खुद लाइव सिंग, मेरा कल भी रात को शो था, तो लाइव अक्सर छूट जाता है कुछ ना कुछ सुर जब आप डांस करते हो, परफॉर्म करते हो. तो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है कि अभी जो गा के गए, हम कुछ कह नहीं सकते थे, लेकिन वो बहुत अच्छा गा रहे थे. सो ये कलर्स की टीम ने बहुत मेहनत की है, अच्छे जो आर्टिस्ट लेकर आए हैं. तो मैं तो एंजॉय करूंगा, सुनूंगा. और हाँ, पावर तो उतनी ही है ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि इंडिया जज कर रहा है. ये कोई जज तो है नहीं यहाँ जो बैठे हैं. इन्होंने क्या नाम मैं भूल जाता.
Experts.
हाँ, हम एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, तो बस फन करेंगे. थैंक यू.
तैयार हो जाइए जवाब के लिए.
Manisha says it's an international format, so is there any
आप कहाँ हैं?
difference in the
But we've given it, we bought the format, so the idea is to keep the success of the format the way it is, and then give it an application of flavor of India. So if you see our experts, I think are fabulous. It's a great team of all the 3 experts we have. We've gone through 5 months of selecting talent, so that will add the flavor, but we bought the format to be true to the format, because otherwise it'll be a free-for-all. So the differentiation you will see is in the groups, exactly what Shankar said. Groups दिखेंगे आपको duets दिखेंगे, age no bar. So that is what, and the judges will make a big difference in terms of the flavor to India. Experts, experts, experts.
All right, next.
Hello. Hi,
Hello.
I'm Rasika from Pink Villa. My question is for Monali. You've started your career as a contestant, and now you are onto this side of the world, being the judge. Basically, you've seen best of both the worlds. So how has this entire journey been for you?
कितने साल हो गए, मैं अभी 2 मिनट में वो पूरा जर्नी तो नहीं बोल सकती, बट एक्सपर्ट नॉट जजेस एंड
हमें रटा गया रात को
मतलब एक्सपर्ट. इट हैज बीन फैंटास्टिक. आई एम थैंकफुल. क्लीशे आंसर है शायद लगेगा, लेकिन आप लोग ही बताओ हाउ वंडरफुल आई कैन फील दैट मैं यहाँ काप के उस टाइम पे तो बहुत नर्वसनेस भी था. आई हैड अ प्रॉब्लम. आई ओवरकेम दैट, एंड आज आई एम सीइंग again aspiring talents performing. It has been a brilliant journey with ups and downs, and I am grateful that I've had those experiences, and I'm thankful for selecting me and making me a part of this beautiful show. I'm extremely excited about it.
Can I say something?
Please.
I think Monali being in the expert chair is a very important aspect for the contestants, because I think she'll be an inspiration for them to see a success story of somebody who was on this side of the world and sitting on the other side of the world. So you are truly an inspiration to all the contestants.
Right, agla sawal.
From 24 Big Boss and now Rising Star, how has your association with Colors been so far, and how has it affected Oppo as a brand?
We definitely, because in China, we always follow the strategy of entertainment marketing and sport marketing. So that is why we're always looking for the best entertainment channels in the market. So we definitely do a lot of research before we work with colors. And now, no matter let it be 24, let it be Bigg Boss, the quality, the high quality, those experts that they're looking for, I think eventually the show, the programs will be amazing, will be astonished. So that is why we think this impact programs we have to take. We have to take.
Right, Sheshe.
Everything in life is a risk, I mean, and everything in life is also an opportunity. I think we've just looked at this as an opportunity. I mean, we are the first. You know, Colors has always been known for its innovation, for its cutting-edge programming. It's in our DNA to experiment and do something new all the time. You know, one of the briefs that is there to my programming team is, we don't look at other competing channels. We keep telling ourselves we have to keep reinventing every day. What is it new that we are going to do? And when we were launching this show, or when we were thinking of doing this show, there were a lot of butterflies. We knew it's a risk, but you know, I think the adrenaline rush comes with the challenge of executing this show. So even as we are sitting here very confidently, we have butterflies in our stomach. We don't want to say we are not nervous, but I think that is the challenge. I know something. If we get it right, and we will get it right, we may fall some here and there, but we will get it right. We will again be seen as trendsetters, and I think that's the job of leader brands. And I think we are a leader brand. We've always been trendsetters in everything that we've done. This will be one more show where the whole country will follow us once we've led the way.
Wow, that was really, really good.
ले पाएंगे क्योंकि क्लासिकल हरकतें जो आप दोनों या आप लोग वहाँ पे बैठे हुए मंच पे बैठे हुए लोग समझेंगे शायद आम इंडियंस।
I understand what you're saying. देखिए, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि जो चीज़ एक क्लासिकल म्यूजिशियन करता है, वो एक पॉप सिंगर या रेगुलर जो गाने गाते हैं वो नहीं कर पाते हैं। लेकिन बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता है कि एक सुकून, एक दिल से एक सिंगर एक सिंपल सा गाना गाए, वो एक क्लासिकल सिंगर कभी नहीं कर पाएगा। डेफिनेटली वो भी होता है। तो वी विल सी म्यूजिक इज कम्युनिकेशन। जब तक कि म्यूजिक कम्युनिकेट करे, ये दीवार उठेगी।
बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग सवाल आ रहे हैं और सवाल बाकी हैं कहीं पे? ऑलराइट, हाय ला, एक सवाल मेरे लिए भी। अब थोड़ी मेरा होता बढ़ गया, बताइए, पूछिए।
Participant earlier on the
one of the best things is कि यहाँ पर आपको एक सीधा एक जो चैलेंज मिलता है, भारत की जो जनता है, उनके चेहरे आते हैं बॉल पे या एक्सपर्ट्स के चेहरे आते हैं, तो वो आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, बट दैट इज एक्चुअली गोइंग टू बी अ रियल टेस्ट कि आपका फोकस कितना अच्छा है और आप कितना अच्छा गा सकते हैं। आई कैन जस्ट से दैट ऑब्वियसली प्रिपरेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वहाँ पे जाके जो एक मौका
जो गाना गाते हैं भी होती है, तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा। मैं अगर बैठ के लाइव शो देखूंगा, मजे करूंगा, स्क्रिप्ट में पढ़ नहीं पाता हूँ, सॉरी, तभी लाइव है। अगर क्रिकेट मैच में बैट्समैन आउट नहीं हुआ तो लाइव कैसे पता लगेगा? तो वही बात है बस। थैंक यू वेरी मच। सीट इज ऑन योर्स।
एंड एज पार्ट ऑफ दैट एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दे जहां वो लाइव एंगेज कर पाए।
टीम तो इतनी रातों से सोई नहीं, कल उन्होंने कंटेंट बताया, मैं भी नहीं सोया। सो आई थिंक इट्स हार्ड, बट विल वर्क हार्ड ताकि कंटेंट कंट्रोल में रहे और कंटेंट ऐसा दे ताकि लाइव में भी कुछ भी हो जाए हमारे पास बैकअप हो, और कभी कोई माल फंक्शन हो जाए, गड़बड़ी हो। बट द आइडिया इज कि लाइव में वर्ल्ड वाइड मोस्टली जगह पे लाइव होता है, कंटेंट को बहुत अच्छा कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, और इस बार हम भी सीखेंगे और हमें मौका मिलेगा कि हम कंटेंट अच्छा दें और वो लाइव में भी कंट्रोल कर सकें।
जल्दी आओ।